Welcome, brave soul, to the fog-shrouded corridors of the E-mini S&P 500 TPO Haunted Manor. Lantern in hand, let's uncover spectral levels, ghostly contexts, and spirit-safe trade ideas before you get spooked out of your gains. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,856, acting as the inner sanctum's portcullis. If the invaders breach this, the kingdom may see a sudden rally of knights. Value area low, VAL, 6,836. The castle gatehouse, where the first line of defense is currently holding the line. Point of control, POC, 6,851. The royal court, where the most intense skirmishes have occurred today. Support zone, 6,820 to 6,836. The outer ramparts where loyalist archers are attempting to stop the retreat. Resistance zone, 6,856 to 6,869. The steep castle cliffs, where the defense is strongest against ascending forces. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,810 to 6,820. A treacherous ravine, where price may plummet if the gatehouse falls. Upper, 6,870 to 6,885. A high bridge that leads back to the upper province if the knights counterattack. Market context. Today the kingdom of the S&P finds itself under a dark cloud as the price has been pushed back to the lower valley floor. The court is currently debating near 6,851, while the invaders have been hammering the gatehouse at 6,836. The aggressive selling weaponry suggests the kingdom is in a defensive crouch, balancing between 6,820 and 6,869 with a weary, bearish gaze. 3-day march through the realm. Day 3, February 11th, POC, 6,967, high, 7,012, low, 6,931. The kingdom stood tall with flags flying high above the 7,000 mark. Day 2, February 12th, POC, 6,978, high, 6,993, low, 6,842. A massive raid breached the walls in a sudden plunge, though the court tried to hold high ground. Day 1, February 13th, POC 6851, high 6869, low 6820. The court has officially relocated to the lower dungeons as the siege continues. Value has retreated significantly over 3 sessions, leaving the throne room at 6,851. Acceptance above the inner sanctum at 6,856 would signal a successful defense, while a failure at the gatehouse at 6,836 invites a fall into the abyss. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD, negative 2,939 contracts. The morning began with a heavy volley of arrows from the invaders. Intraday peak, buying, CVD climbed to 1,036, a brief moment where the King's Knights attempted a charge. Current CVD, negative 6,110, net negative 3,171. From open, meaning the invaders have regained control and are pushing the defenders back. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 8,680, a moment of absolute despair for the kingdom's bulls. Interpretation. Aggressive sell-side energy is dominating the battlefield. Any attempt to retake the high cliffs will require significant reinforcement of buying power. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL, 6,836 to 6,840. Stop loss. Below the outer ramparts at approximately 6,820, 4 ticks beneath the session low, or use Average true range, ATR, approximately 8 points, below entry. Profit target. Initial target at POC, 6,851. Major target at VAH, 6,856. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,856 to 6,860. Or breakdown through VAL, 6,836. Stop loss. Above the resistance peak at approximately 6,870 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL, 6,836. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target is secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above, VAH. The King's Guard breaks through the inner portcullis at 6,856. Setup. Enter long above 6,856, with stop at 6,851, POC. Target 6,869, plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The invaders drop boiling oil from the walls, slamming the Knights back from 6,856 to 6,860. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,869. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The gatehouse at 6,836 crumbles under the weight of the siege. Setup. Short a break below 6,836. Stop above 6,844. Recent swing high. Target 6,820 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The defenders find hidden strength at the moat, sniffing out a recovery. Setup. Long at 6,836. Stop at 6,820. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.